from the KATC Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Hopefully everyone had a nice week. Definitely was a warm week in Acadiana. Another day today. Temperatures pushing the mid-80s. We're going to be well into the mid and upper 80s through the course of the weekend. So staying seasonably warm, humid out there. Rain chances relatively low. But as we head into next week, big changes on the way. Strong cold front's going to get here on Monday. That's going to set the stage for a pretty wind-chilly Halloween and then the days to follow. So we'll get into that extended outlook in just a second. But first, here's the upper level pattern. We're being dominated by this ridge of high pressure that's keeping the eastern third of the country very warm. But we are seeing troughiness across the west, and that is where you can find winter and even fall in between. But again, with us being under influence of that ridge, we have remained very warm, and that's going to continue to be the case through the course of the weekend until finally we get a push in the upper levels, and this one's going to be more oriented towards Canada and the poles. Thus, we are looking at a big time chill down as we head into next week. Now, rain chances weren't completely zeroed out today. We did see a few isolated showers through the course of this afternoon. A few of those spotty showers still hanging on here late this afternoon across portions of Acadia Parish, Jeff Davis up into Allen Parish, and then one or two showers as we get into Upper St. Martin Parish, just north of the St. Martinville area, slowly drifting westward. But again, these aren't putting down a whole lot of rainfall. They quickly pop up, produce a little bit of rainfall, and then fizzle out. So may run into one of these lone showers over the next couple of hours, but our rain chance is not much higher than 20%. We're quiet after sunset. Initially, if you are heading out for your Friday evening plans, we are warm, temperatures in the 80s, but eventually we'll be falling through the 70s and get into the mid and upper 60s by tomorrow morning. So it'll be a mild start to our Saturday. Some patchy fog will be possible in spots as well. Otherwise, a mixture of sunshine and clouds into the afternoon. Stays warm, no surprise here. Mid to upper 80s for those high temperatures. Southeasterly winds will come in at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. One or two light sprinkles or showers possible, but our rain chance is not much better than 5%. Very similar setup into Sunday. Mid to upper 60s for the start, and then right back up into the mid and upper 80s for our Sunday afternoon. Under partly cloudy skies, but here comes that strong cold front. It's going to be knocking on the doorstep as we head into daybreak Monday morning, and it's going to be pushing through the area throughout the day on Monday with mostly cloudy skies out there. Temperatures mild, upper 70s to near 80 or so Monday afternoon. Maybe a few light showers behind the frontal boundary, but again, I wouldn't plan on a whole lot of rainfall. Some of that does look to linger into at least portions of Tuesday, at least the first half, but it is going to be turning cool to chilly out there. Look at this, upper 40s to lower 50s for the start on Tuesday. I think we struggle to get out of the 50s at any point on Tuesday thanks to the cloud cover. Rain should kick out of here. Winds, though, will be picking up out of the north, 15 to 20, and it's going to stay breezy into Tuesday evening for trick-or-treating. So make sure you're wearing layers on top of your costume for sure. Again, with readings in the 50s, but even feeling a little bit chillier than that. And then look, we're going to be heading for the low to mid 40s first thing Wednesday morning, and with a stiff breeze out there, likely going to be feeling like the 30s across much of Acadiana. And then all of us for our air temperatures likely heading for the 30s Thursday morning. Mid 30s possible for northern Acadiana. So the first patchy frost of the season certainly will be possible then. Meanwhile, in the short term, mild conditions, mid to upper 60s later on tonight. And then we're pushing into the mid and upper 80s tomorrow afternoon under a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Notice much cooler as you get across the panhandle of Texas and then into Oklahoma. Meanwhile, again, we're staying warm as we round out the weekend on Sunday. Only issue, and the small issue in the short term, is the possibility to see some patchy fog developing a little bit later on tonight through daybreak tomorrow morning. So just something to keep in mind if you're going to be out early enough tomorrow morning. 68 will be the projected low tonight. It's going to be a mild night ahead, muggy as well. Again, one or two lone showers over the next couple of hours, but rain chance is not much higher than 20%. 87 will be your projected high tomorrow. Under partly cloudy skies, rain chance is not much higher than 5%. 10% into Sunday. We stay warm. Here comes the big cold front and the chill to follow. Look at these temperatures, highs 50s and 60s. Overnight lows will be in the 30s and 40s before gradually we start to warm back up toward the end of next week and into the following weekend. We'll have to look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more news coming up after the break.